Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing that artificial intelligence is everywhere, not just in futuristic labs or billion-dollar companies, but in your own pocket, on your kitchen counter, even helping you make life decisions. From the voice assistant that sets your morning alarm to the invisible algorithms recommending your next favorite series, AI is no longer science fiction. It's shaping how we live, work, and think right now. But here's the question. Do you actually know how these systems work, what types of AI exist, and why they matter to you as an ordinary person? Most people use AI every single day without realizing it, from Google Maps recalculating your route in traffic, to Spotify predicting your music mood, or even AI systems helping doctors diagnose illnesses more accurately than ever before. This video, we're going to break it all down, the different types of AI, their main functions, and most importantly, why you should care. We'll show you not just what AI is, but how it's quietly becoming one of the most powerful tools of our time, and how learning to use it could make your everyday life smarter, faster, and even healthier. Stay tuned, because once you see what AI can really do for you, you'll never look at your phone, your apps, or even your daily choices the same way again. Chapter 1. Origins, from stories to circuits. We love origin stories because they give meaning. For AI, that origin has always had two parallel streams, culture and engineering. In culture, the roots are deep. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein gave us the first template, the artificial being as helper, monster, and mirror. Later, Isaac Asimov expanded the conversation with his 3 laws of robotics, found in works like I, Robot. Asimov tried to discipline our fears with rules, but ironically, those same laws revealed how fragile control over artificial beings could be. The idea that we could write code into morality became both a dream and a warning. Then came cinema. The Terminator warned of machines that awaken only to exterminate their creators. The Matrix flipped the perspective, imagining humans already trapped inside a machine-run reality. Both films cemented in the public's imagination the idea that AI doesn't just evolve, it inevitably rebels. Culture told us again and again that intelligence created outside of us would turn against us. Meanwhile, in engineering, a different origin story was unfolding. Mathematicians and scientists laid down the foundations. Norbert Wiener's cybernetics, Shannon's information theory, and McCulloch and Pitts' first models of artificial neurons. Alan Turing reframed the entire debate. It wasn't, can machines think, but can they perform in ways we call intelligent? This shift formalized the field, birthing symbolic AI and connectionist approaches that would battle for decades before merging into the deep learning and transformer models we use today. Put together, these two streams, the cultural imagination of rebellion and the technical pursuit of intelligence, created the contradictory lens through which we see AI. On one hand, a tool of progress. On the other, a prophecy of apocalypse. Our myths primed us to expect dystopia before the circuits were even built. This history matters because it shows AI didn't appear out of nowhere. It's the accumulation of ideas and engineering. And that means understanding a handful of milestones unlocks the rest. Perceptrons and their limits, backpropagation and deep networks, GANs for generation, and the transformer architecture, that's scaled language models. If you hear those names in the news, you'll know what they mean and why they matter. AI is no longer a laboratory curiosity. It's woven into search, apps, your bank, the stores you visit, and the streaming you watch. Businesses are embedding it across functions, customer service, hiring screens, ad creative, forecasting, and the firms that adopt it move faster. This is not a trend, it's a strategic shift. For most people, the question has stopped being, should I learn AI? And become, how do I use it to get time back, improve my work, and open new opportunities? Chapter 2. Understanding AI, the 3 faces of everyday artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence often feels like a distant, complex concept, something for tech companies, researchers, or Silicon Valley billionaires. But the truth is, AI already works quietly behind the scenes of your daily life, shaping what you watch, buy, and even how you move around the city. To make sense of it, let's break it down into three main types that actually matter for ordinary people: recommenders, generators, and predictors. Recommenders, the invisible curators of your choices. Think of Netflix suggesting the next show you'll binge, or Spotify building a playlist that feels like it knows your mood better than you do. These are recommendation systems. They work by mapping your past behavior, what you liked, skipped, or replayed, to predict what you'll enjoy next. Dr. Michael Schrage from MIT once described them as engines of engagement because their main job is to keep your attention locked in. For a regular person, this means less time searching and more time consuming things that feel personalized. But it also raises the question, are you choosing or are you being chosen for? Generators, machines that create alongside you. If you've asked ChatGPT to draft an email or used AI to touch up a photo, you've already used a generator. These systems don't just store knowledge, they remix patterns from massive data sets to create something new, whether it's text, images, music, or even video. Imagine needing a recipe with only the ingredients in your fridge. A generator can instantly craft one, saving you time and frustration. For creatives, it's like having a brainstorming partner that never gets tired. For ordinary people, it's about turning effort into speed. Gartner predicts that by 2026, 90% of online content may be machine-generated in some form, meaning most of what we'll read, watch, or hear won't come from humans first. Predictors, tools that see one step ahead. Prediction is where AI becomes practical for everyday decisions. Navigation apps like Google Maps don't just show the road, they forecast traffic patterns and reroute you in real time. Fitness trackers don't just log your steps, they predict how much activity you need to hit health goals. Businesses use predictive analytics to set prices or decide what products to stock. But on a personal level, it's about foresight, less trial and error, more informed choices. According to McKinsey, predictive models can improve healthcare diagnostics by up to 40%, meaning earlier detection for diseases that might otherwise go unnoticed. Together, these three categories form the AI loop that's reshaping modern life. Recommend what you might want, help you create or act faster, predict outcomes so you can adjust. For a student, this could mean smarter study tools. For a parent, personalized recommendations for safer, healthier meals. For workers, less time on routine tasks and more time on what requires human judgment. AI isn't just for tech insiders or content creators, it's a toolkit for everyday life. The challenge is not whether you'll use it, but how consciously you'll use it. Because while these systems can save you time, money, and energy, they can also steer your choices without you noticing. Chapter 3. Busting the I'm not technical myth reality check. You do not need a CS degree. Don't fall for the complexity trap. Non-technical people become powerful AI users not by writing models, but by orchestrating them. That means pairing friendly tools with a short checklist, a generator, chat style for text, a simple editor for audio-video, and a template system, Canva, or the built-in templates in CapCut, Descript. Use the generator to produce raw material, the editor to humanize it, and the template to present it professionally. That loop, generate, edit, present, is your basic production line. Practice that structure with 5 topics for 10 days, and you'll build muscle memory. Pair this with tools that hide complexity, Canva templates with AI copy, CapCut for quick edits, Descript for editing audio by editing text, and you have a production line. Non-technical people become powerful users by orchestrating tools, not by building models. Chapter 4. The Toolkit. What to start with. The tool landscape can feel infinite. The rule of thumb, pick 3 to 5 tools for 90% of needs. Think of AI tools as big categories, language models, LLMs, like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. These are your all-purpose assistants. They can summarize articles, translate texts, draft emails, help with studying, or even create a script for your social media. It's like having an infinite pen that writes in any style you need. But be careful, sometimes they make things up, what we call a hallucination. The golden rule: always review research tools, like Perplexity and Notebook LM. Unlike LLMs that sometimes improvise, these tools pull from real sources and cross-check with your own documents. If you need reliable data for schoolwork, market research, or a professional presentation, they're pure gold. Image tools, like Midjourney, Ideogram, and ChatGPT's own image generator. You describe what you want, and the system creates art out of thin air. Perfect for thumbnails, product mock-ups, cover art, or even illustrations for personal projects. Video tools, like Runway or Google's newest models. With these, you can already generate short scenes, animate images, or even build a full video. What used to require big teams and budgets is now available to any beginner creator. Audio tools, like 11 Labs for realistic voices and voice cloning, or Suno, which can generate entire songs. Imagine turning text into a professional narration or creating a soundtrack for your video in seconds. Finally, there are specialized wrappers, apps that are basically polished interfaces built on top of big models. They can rewrite resumes, draft emails, or generate ads. The key question: is this offering something new, or is it just a nicer interface? Because often, a single well-crafted prompt in a major LLM can give you the same result. Chapter 5. And speaking of prompts, here are the 5 essential skills for any AI beginner. Prompting, the art of asking. The clearer and more specific you are, the better the output. For example, here's the practical rule I use: always prompt with structure. Think of a prompt like a short brief to a human assistant. Use 5 elements: context, role, task, format, constraint. Put those in that order, and the AI gives you useful, focused results. Example: context: I run a local bakery. Role: you are my copywriter. Task: create a 60-second Instagram reel script about our new cinnamon rolls. Format: hook, 3 beats. CTA: constraint: keep it conversational and under 60 seconds. That single formula turns vague asks into usable drafts. Tool literacy: it's not about knowing every app, but understanding the categories. That way, when you face a problem, you know where to go. Text, image, video, audio, or research. Workflow thinking: don't try to solve everything at once. Break tasks into steps. First, generate ideas, then refine, then finalize. This lowers mistakes and boosts quality. Creative remixing: combine tools. Let an LLM write the script, an image generator design the cover, and a video tool bring the scene to life. The magic happens in the mix. Continuous curiosity, the most important skill of all. AI evolves constantly. The key isn't memorizing every update, but practicing the habit of experimenting and learning as you go. Yes, there are more advanced options, like autonomous agents that can run complex tasks step by step, or vibe coding, where you can build entire apps just by describing what you want. But those are next level. For now, the mission is simple. Understand the map, pick a few core tools, and start practicing. Because at the end of the day, AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to amplify you. And the best part? This transformation isn't locked away in research labs. It's happening right now in your hands on your phone or computer. Chapter 6, the concerns and risks, of course. It's not all good news. With AI comes responsibility. Privacy. Your conversations, locations, and preferences are being tracked to train systems. Bias. If the data is biased, the AI becomes biased, leading to unfair outcomes in hiring, policing, or loans. Addiction. Recommendation. Engines are designed to keep your attention, not your well-being. Job shifts. Some jobs will disappear, others will be created. The challenge is, are we ready for the transition? People like Elon Musk and Yuval Noah Harari warn about AI's unchecked growth. Harari even called it the end of human history as we know it, suggesting AI could control culture and politics. So where are we headed? Imagine curing diseases faster, discover new materials, designing eco-friendly cities, or even predicting natural disasters with precision. Of course, there are risks, privacy concerns, job shifts, even ethical debates about AI bias. But one thing is clear: the genie is out of the bottle. AI is not going away. Artificial intelligence is no longer a luxury, it's part of everyday reality. From the way we shop to the way we think, AI is shaping the 21st century. The choice we all face is simple: ignore it and fall behind, or embrace it and learn how to use it. The difference between those who thrive and those who fall behind will be the ability to understand and use these tools wisely. You don't need to be a programmer, you just need curiosity. Because the future of AI isn't just about machines. It's about us, how we adapt, how we control it, and how we choose to live alongside it. And the truth is, whether you like it or not, the AI revolution has already begun.
If you found this content valuable, stay with us for more insights and digital updates as we explore where this journey leads. Thanks for watching. See you in our next project.